Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Vscode and a project with an index. HTML. Open the project folder now and make sure you have the browser preview extension installed. This gives an editor Chromium instance. Once done, open the command palette and run browser preview, open preview. You will see a docked browser. Set its port if prompted. This step begins the workflow. Get the preview visible so you can iterate quickly without switching applications. Once the preview is open, configure it. Set a stable port, enable auto-reload, and adjust the user agent when testing responsive behavior. You should map your workspace files to the preview URL so assets load correctly. Relative paths avoid mismatches. Use Split Editor to view code and the preview side by side, and open developer tools inside the preview to inspect DOM, network, and CSS. These middle steps let you edit, save, and see immediate results, faster feedback, fewer context switches. To finish, save your workspace settings so preview port, layout, and auto-reload persist across sessions. Test a full edit cycle. Change HTML or CSS, save, and confirm the preview updates. If things go wrong, check the extension log and the preview's DevTools console for CORS, 404s, or script errors. Restart the preview and clear its cache if updates don't show. Make sure file paths are correct and that any local server is running. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.